Hey there, it's Michelle of Nom Nom Paleo, and today I'm going to show you how to make my mango cabbage slaw, which is a tropical twist on your favorite coleslaw, but so much better, and it's so simple. So what you do is you start off with 2 shallots, and then you're going to combine it with some cabbage, some mint leaves, some lime, and mango, and boom, you'll have a delicious salad. So with these 2 shallots, I like to slice them as thin as you can because nobody likes a chunk of onion. And then you're gonna just stick it in a bowl with a ice cube. So then you're gonna squeeze the juice of 2 limes right into the bowl. And the reason you do this is to kind of take the bite out of the shallots, and also I like that it gets nice and tangy because that adds to the salad. And you give everything a quick stir, and you just set it aside for 10 minutes. And grab a small cabbage. And I actually don't love a ton of cabbage in my coleslaw. I actually like more mango in it, so I'm actually gonna probably use half of this. So you can see here, there's quite a bit of cabbage just from half of a small one. And grab 2 mangoes. They should be nice and ripe, so they should be perfectly orange and have some squeeze. So the way I like to prepare my mangoes is I like to peel off the skin, and then I slice it away from the seed, and then I thinly slice it. So the mango seed is nice and flat, and so I always like to cut around the mango seed. And then you have this nice big piece of flesh here, and also on the other side. And then it kind of tapers on the edges, so I always kind of cut along the edge. And then I save this later for me to snack on. And then these pieces here, you just thinly slice. And we're almost done. Next, you just grab a handful of mint leaves. And I find that a 1/4 cup is just about perfect, but you can use as little or as much as you like. And all I'm doing is I'm just removing the leaves because I'm gonna pile them up and cut them into ribbons. And I'm just stacking them all up. And then you just roll it up like a little scar. Thinly sliced ribbons. I'm going to fish out the little ice cube that's still left in there, and then I'm going to add the shallots and the lime juice. And if you like spicy, like I do, you should add a thinly sliced jalapeno pepper. So to this, I'm going to add the mint and the jalapenos. And I'm going to toss this all up. Actually, I'm worried about smushing the mango, so I'm going to use my hands, which are clean, I promise. You can toss it just the right amount without it smushing all of the mango. I'm gonna season with a little salt and pepper to taste. Taste it for seasoning. And that's perfect. And this will go well with any type of grilled meat that you throw on the barbecue. You can bring it to a party because you can make it ahead, and everybody will love it. And they'll be like, I do not want that old-fashioned coleslaw anymore. I want this mango cabbage slaw. So if you want the recipe, head on over to my blog, nomnompaleo.com.